Hi, in this video let me show you how to factory reset your FPD TV. In case you're having issues with it, or maybe you want to resell it and you don't want the next person to have access to any of your personal information, well, you're going to press this settings button on the remote control. Then you're going to select all settings, this over here on the top right corner. Go down, and one of the options that you should see is over here, system. Press on system, go down, and you're going to select about. Go again down and select reset. Select factory reset. Go down, select factory reset, press OK, and it will start. As it says here, all your files, all your profiles, everything will be deleted. So just make sure to make a backup in case you wanted to save something. Otherwise, your TV will be like a brand new one and you'll have to set it up again from the beginning once this is completed after a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.